Hey there! Today I will show you the touchscreen cigar humidifier from Get2Air. Let's explore its innovative design. Our third generation touchscreen controller defines convenience. Place it anywhere with its two power options. Use the included 2-meter USB cable for continuous power, or go to wireless with battery operation. Let you up to position the controller at ice level, no more bend to track conditions. The controller shows the actual humidity and the ambient humidity range, making it easy to see the data on the display. The 1-meter humidity sensor ensures accurate reading right where your cigars rest. The clear water windows eliminates guesswork. Always know where to refill. Combined with our wider forecourt, the water drop becomes easy. That's the YC-100 10.9, where cutting-edge technology meets cigar craftsmanship. For the 4-step up tutorial, watch our operation video. Visit geteverify.com to learn more. I'm Cloud. Thank you for your watching.